Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing part 2 of the HUSQVARNA Viking Designer Epic 2 unboxing. So if you missed the first video, you can check that one out here. In that video, I showed you all the machine in the amazing color that I have, the Vivid Sunset. And I told you in that video that all of the parts and the accessories, I didn't have them, so I will be doing a part 2. Well, everything is here now, so I'm going to go ahead and share. I have 3 boxes that I'm going to open up. I have gone ahead and cut the tape, but I don't know what's in them. I said I will, open everything up with y'all. So here's the first box here. All right, let me turn it this way so y'all can see with me. This is the ribbon attachment. Ah! All right, let's open this up. Oh, wow. This is what everyone is going bananas over. So this is the ribbon embroidery attachment. Okay, some of the top features on the back, it says that it's the first attachment of its kind in the home embroidery machine market. 360 degrees of motorized rotation, holds up to 26 feet of ribbon, easily adjusts to work with various ribbon widths. Okay, so this is exciting. Let me open this so you all can see. Okay, so I got the plastic off. It lifts up down here at the bottom. Ooh, okay. More about the ribbon attachment. I'm gonna save that so I can read it. Fancy! Look at this, y'all. Okay, so this is awesome. Let me pull it out. So this is the ribbon attachment right here. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I can't wait to try this. Oh, and I have a little bit of ribbon in there already. Nice. Okay, yes. All right, y'all, and this is a little plug right here that will go to the back of the machine, I'm assuming. I know it has a plug in the back for the buttonhole, the automatic buttonhole, so I'm assuming this would go in the same spot. Okay, I'm so excited about this, y'all. I cannot wait to plug this in and give it a try. I gotta read all the instructions though, because I don't have a clue where to start with this. But I'm sure it's just an easy attachment, but I'm super excited to give this a try. So this is the ribbon attachment. We'll go ahead and put this back in here. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the second box. So this was in the first one. I'm excited. All right, this is the second one. Let me just pull it out and we'll see. Okay, so here is the second box. And this is the multifunction foot control. Oh, wait, top features 3 programmable switches, 5 programmable functions, separate needle up and down function? What? Ergonomic design, rubberized base for stability, extra long 2.5 meters USB cord to suit various sewing positions. Wow, multifunction foot pedal. This is crazy. Oh my God, look at this foot pedal, y'all. Yes, this is pretty amazing. I was not expecting this. And then you also have your cord right here as well. How dope is this? Oh my gosh, I gotta program my foot pedal, y'all. This is awesome. I cannot wait to do tutorials and show you all this stuff. So this is the multifunction foot pedal here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box. Whew, that was unexpected. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back and let me grab the last box. All right, so those are the first 2. The last box is a pretty big box, so I did go ahead and open that one, but inside of that box is a really nice case. So I'm gonna hold it up and then I'll open it and show you what's all in it. And so here is the case. This case is amazing. It's in the same material for the machine cover. So I really do like that. I love all the handles and straps that's on this case. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so the first thing in that case, you have a set of clips. This is 16 clips right here that comes with the machine. You also have 3 different hoop sizes. So here are the hoops right here. The first size is the 120 by 120. And then you have the 260 by 200, this mid-size one here. And then the largest size is 360 by 260. So you have these three hoops, and then you also have your embroidery arm attachment here. So here is the attachment. All right, so that is everything that comes in that big case, and it's all nicely strapped down, which I love. So that is all for part 2 of the unboxing of the HUSQVARNA Viking Designer Epic 2. You all stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm going to be doing tutorials and show you all the amazing things that this machine can do. Until then, blessings everyone. Bye.